Hello everyone, welcome to Health Extol. Today we are going to talk about a specific vegetable which will help us build some good muscle. The question is that is it sufficient enough to help us meet the daily requirement of protein when it comes to muscle building? Yes, we are going to talk about broccoli. Is broccoli good for building muscle? That's the question right in front of us. Broccoli is one of those green vegetables which has been given the status of superfood. Why is it been a superfood? Let's talk about it. It is enriched with lot of essential minerals, vitamins and antioxidants. At the same time, it is very low in calories that makes it suitable for all diet charts and diet programs. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable which comes from the family of kale, cauliflower as well as Brussels sprouts. Broccoli is the most loved vegetable among the fitness community. There are three types of broccolis available in the market. One is Calabrese broccoli, second one is purple broccoli, and third one is sprouting broccoli. Calabrese broccoli is the broccoli which comes with the crown and the leaves together. Both crown as well as the leaves are edible and it is filled with nutrients. Purple broccoli is similar like regular broccoli. It is frequently used in healthy recipes and diets. This particular variety of broccoli is purple in color due to a chemical compound present in it which is called as anthocyanin. This similar compound is found in wine as well as purple cabbage also. Sprouting broccoli is a hybrid of both regular broccoli as well as Chinese broccoli. This particular variety of broccoli has thin stalk as well as more number of heads. Since I have explained about the types of broccoli, let's see that whether it will be helpful for your muscle building purpose or not. Broccoli will be a staple diet add-on for a person who is into bodybuilding as well as fitness. It is one of the richest nutrient-filled vegetables available in the market. Broccoli is rich in anti-inflammatory agents as well as antioxidants, which made broccoli a most beneficial vegetable when it comes to your vegetarian muscle building diet. Broccoli is very low in calories compared to any other vegetables. Also helps in protein synthesis in our body. It also helps in improving the protein synthesis of the body, which will be helping the muscle building. 1 cup of broccoli, which is 100 grams, has 2.4 grams of protein in it. And the whole 1 cup of broccoli will have only 34 calories in it. 1 cup of broccoli, which is 100 grams, has 2.8 grams of protein in it and it is only 34 calories. And this protein source which is contained in broccoli is complete with all amino acids. Broccoli contains 33% of it as protein. The protein per calorie for broccoli is lesser compared to a beef steak, even though it is not equal to the protein content which is available in the beef steak. The minimum requirement of protein needed for a person to build muscle will be at least 70 grams of protein per day. Getting that half of the protein requirement done using broccoli will be a hard task for you and you will be ending up eating lot of broccoli per day. For getting 15 grams of protein, you may have to eat 500 grams of broccoli per day. If you are looking forward to get 50 grams of protein, how much amount of broccoli you should be eating? That makes it impractical for us to just rely on broccoli just for building muscle. Even though it is loaded with calcium, minerals, vitamins and other nutrients, it won't be ideal for one person to rely on broccoli for building the muscle. You may have something extra with it. It's not practical to rely only on broccoli for building muscle. You definitely need something. My conclusion is that you cannot build muscle only by sticking on to broccoli. You should have something high in protein to your diet. In addition to the broccoli to your diet, you can add paneer or tofu to your diet so that it will meet the requirement of protein you need for the day. Hope you guys have an idea about broccoli, whether it will help you in muscle building or not. Or you can rely only on broccoli or not. I hope you guys like my video. If you want to know broccoli in detail, I have written a blog on broccoli. Please go ahead and have a glance on it. Please don't forget to like my channel, subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video. If you have any suggestions, you can just put down in the comments and I will definitely respond to you guys. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.